Ann and Jake, personally, hindi ko man kayo kilala pero masaya ako kasi nandito kayo sa loob ng tahanan ng Diyos. Simply to say, thank you Lord. Thank you Lord kasi dinig niyo mo yung panalangin. Kayong dalawa, answered prayer kayo kay Lord.
Babe, Dabu, naaalala mo pa ba nung sinigot ka ta? Sabi ko, hindi man tayo sa huli, enjoy na lang natin yung moment. And here we are today.
Sana to.
Okay, okay guys, wala rin pinag-aaway.
Ay, makawalan na Jonathan! Wala sila!
Ann, sumasang-ayon ka ba maging asawa si Jake na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso ba ang pagbibigay mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang may bahay?
Opo, Father. Parang kontrabida to.
Ikaw, Jake, sumasang-ayon ka ba maging asawa si Ann na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at alituntunin ng ating simbahan? Opo, Father.
Hello, Ray. Na ngayon asawa ko na.
Ay,
This is the day we've both been waiting for. For almost 10 years. 4 days after our wedding. That's 4 days after our wedding. Mag-asawa na tayo. From our college love story, which is second year nun, with my very busy life, nag-working student sa Jollibee, saka nagsa-sideline sa teatro, still nakuha mo pa rin mapukaw ang aking pagtingin. Tangkad mo kasi, at higit sa lahat, maganda at intimidating yung looks mo.
I get lost in your deep blue eyes, like a shell in the sea. I'll fall over and over.
Mama, salamat sa lahat. Sinikap mong makapagtapos kami. Salamat sa sacrifices mo. Kahit nag-asawa ko, nandito pa rin ako para sa inyo. Hindi ko kayo iiwan.
Salamat nak sa pagtulong mo sa amin pati mga kapatid mo. Hanggang ngayon nasa amin pa rin ang isip mo. Pero may pamilya ka na anak. Focus mo na ang isip mo sa pagpapamilya mo. Yun lang. Love you anak.
We could be forever. Never give up.
Oo, nahiya.
Never give up.
Anak, proud ako sa'yo. Sa narating. Good luck and we love you.
You were my first love.
Ang masasabi ko lang sa kanya, ituloy niya lang yung second journey ng buhay. Lahat ng pangarap niya, nandito lang kami para sa kanya. Maraming salamat.
Thank you pa.
Ako naman, Ann at saka Jake, lagi ko kayong ipagdarasal. Tingatan kayo ng Diyos. Ipagtatanggol kayo ng Diyos sa anumang panganib at banta na maaari makasira o makawasak sa buhay pay pamilya. Kaya one thing lang ang paalala ko sa inyo. Again, ulitin ko lang. The family that prays together stays together.
We could be forever. Just never give up. Never give up on this one life together. 'Cause you were my love. You were my first. We could be forever. Just never give up. Never give up on this one life together. 'Cause you were my love.
It is true that love alone is not enough, and you need a fuel of time, effort, and dedication for this to bloom. But sometimes, if everything is trailing one by one and nothing else is left but to give up, trusting in love alone gives us a vision of our good memories together. That the genuine happiness you felt when you are with your person, which you can feel from anyone else but her, that will give you enough reason to try again and give harder. At eto tayo ngayon, patuloy nagiging matibay para sa isa't isa, para makamit ang ating pangarap na ngayon ay magkasama.
All I know is that I love you, and all I know is that's enough to keep living this life together.
You're my answered prayer. I'm thankful that you have come into my life. Our 10 years journey has been calm and peaceful. We've learned We've leaned on each other, faced trials, hand in hand, and overcome every problem together. Thank you for keeping me calm in a chaotic times and for supporting every decision I've made.
Not everything in this life will be easy, but I'm with you, I've got all that I'm needing.
Minahal kita kung sino ka man, and for who you helped me to be. I love your strengths and weaknesses. I choose you today and every day to be my partner, friend, and forever love. I promise to love you, honor you, and cherish you now and forever. I love you, babe.
All I know is that I love you, and all I know is that's enough to keep living this life together. 'Cause honestly, everything
Tanggapin mo ang regalo ko din sa iyo, ang pagmamahal at oras. At ipapangako na ibibigay at ilalaan ko sa lahat na deserve natin bilang mag-asawa. Maaring tama ako, mali ako or tama ka. Let's do what's best for each other. Listen only to one another. Stay together and love forever. I love you. Congrats to us.